Hello and welcome back to the Alteryx Weekly Challenge. Me, Nick Beeler. This is challenge number 93, pumpkin production. So we're looking at productions of by volume of pumpkins in the great states of the United States. Great states of the United States? No, states of the US. So let's have a look. We've got to compare the top states production with the smallest states production to the average production of the state itself. Well, let me explain. So here's the output. I think here's the input. Well, let's start with the input. We have the year, the state as an ANSI, whatever an ANSI is. We then have a pumpkin production. Looks like we've got a 0 in there. That's not good. So that runs through, gives us a number of pumpkins, I'm guessing. Then we have over here, we've got a lookup table that is that. I'm assuming this first number here is this ANSI, and we can then pull back the state from that information. So we just need to pass that to be able to pull, to do a join against. Now, if we look at the output that we're looking for, it is the year listed here, then the state, the max state, and then the total production, and then the average of that state. So it says max average, but what it means is that of this max part of the table, the great state of Illinois has an average production on an average year of this. So if you take all these years and average, this amount here and average it by year, then that's what you get. And if we look at the difference each year between the average and what actually was produced in that individual year, and then if we scroll across, we've got the min producer. So it looks like in 2016 Minnesota was the minimum producer, and then you've got the average state production of that state over the 16 years. I would say that Minnesota only started producing pumpkins in 2016. Then we have the min difference from that as well. So the min refers to the fact that we're in this half, the right half of the table, and the max refers to the left half, on the larger side. Okay, so it's basic data prep and manipulating things. So I'm just going to get on with it and fast forward, and you can watch it, and then we'll see you at the end. Okay, so I've joined them all together. You can see here I have two for 2014. We have two because we've got two min producers with the same number. Now 2004, they gave it to New York. Okay, so that's interesting. So I am going. I wonder why they did that. Where did New York come? So 2004. So New York is there, and Pennsylvania is there. Interesting. Well, we can fix that. I'm not sure what criteria they use to decide that Pennsylvania will lose out, or will not lose out, and not look like it's a lost out, we can just do that. I put a unique in, and if we're unique on year, so we only have 1 year, it should just pick up the New York one because it comes first. Yes, there's our 17 rows, 2017, and you've got New York, and in here we've got 2017 and we've got New York. Lovely. So if we scroll down a bit, just check that we've got the same all the way through. I think we've got okay, these need to be in a slightly different order. So it's the, is that right? So it's the min producer first. So if we just move them around in here, up there, and that one up there. Okay, and run that. That should do it. There we go. The difference is I've not spelt pumpkin correct, but whatever. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time.